Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear student, grade 4. Today, our social studies lesson 2 about early life. With time, people became known as gatherers. Gatherers were people who collected meat of dead animals and wild plants. Later, these gatherers developed into hunters, who started killing animals to provide their families with food. Historians study fossils, which are remaining of living things. Fossils of the first human who inhabited Asia, Africa, and Europe shows us that humans lived in forests, plains, and grasslands. Plain is a wild open land that is usually close to the sea. Nomads were the people who first lived on Arabian land. Nomads were the people who traveled from place to place to gather food and feed their cattle. Most nomads were hunters and gatherers. Nomads made a tool named the club, and they started hunting their own animals. The first clothes they wore were animal skin. Then they developed better clothes using leather. They are used ivory, antlers, teeth, and bones to invent a new and better tools. Here, as you can see in the picture, this is the club. This is the tools that they have made from stones or wood and used it as a tools in their daily life. This is the fossils which is remaining from the dead animals. They were also making their tools from it. Women stayed home where they gathered nuts, fruits, and leaves for eating. They also took care of their children. How did people communicate? Humans' communication started through sounds that these people produced. They are also communicated through hand gesture, which helped them to develop and express their thoughts and pass their ideas from one generation to another. My dear students, last time I have given you the homework of page 95. I hope everybody has done it, and if you did not do it, please, here is the answers. Choose the word that the best completes each sentence. Historians are the people who study things that happened in the past. So the answer is historians. Number 2, flintstone was used during the Stone Age since people could easily find it in nature. So flintstone was used during the Stone Age since people could easily find it in nature. Number 3, the first human who lived were those found on the continent of, here is the choices, Africa and Asia and America. The correct answer is Africa. Number 4, the cold weather helped people discover the making of clothes or animal and plants. So the correct answer will be making of clothes, which is A. Number 5, during Ice Age, plants and animals could not survive, or they could easily survive. Definitely the answer is could not survive. Finally, my dear student, thank you very much for following with the lesson. Thank you very much, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.